A glance into the past allows us to understand the current reality of finsa better and how it has reached the prominent position it holds in today's timber industry. In the year 1931, the industrial startup of the company happens with a modest sawmill in Portancil in Ames. But it is not until 1937 when Manuel García Cambón gives a business structure to a project which in 1946 opens its doors under the commercial name of Financiera Maderera S.A. in new installations located in Padrón. In 1969, the group's second factory was set up in Santiago de Compostela, becoming the company's headquarters from that point on. From that moment, the expansion process throughout Spain, Europe and the rest of the world has been unstoppable. Today, finsa has a commercial network working with customers in more than 60 countries, with its own sales offices in 9 of them. The finsa logistics network has more than 500 vehicles at its disposal, and a maritime service linked to the major world ports. This expansion is an ongoing and sustainable process. With a production capacity close to 3 million cubic meters per year, more than 5,000 employees, and an annual turnover in excess of 1,200 million euros, finsa has maintained a constant growth throughout the last decade of around 10% each year, which makes it one of the most powerful and flourishing international groups in the sector. Finsa's sustained growth is based on 2 fundamental factors: the sales of products with a high demand and the innovation to be able to adapt to changing market needs. In 1965, finsa inaugurated its first particle board production line, destined to service the furniture and construction industries, under the commercial name Fimapan. From this moment on, finsa's product range hasn't stopped growing, with the intention of offering the best solutions to an ever more changing and demanding market. Finsa, through its various brands, offers sawn timber, chipboard, MDF, melamine boards, laminate flooring, machined products, veneered board, veneer layings, glues, etc. Finsa takes advantage of every possible application derived from the transformation of wood to be able to offer innovative and highly useful products to sectors such as construction, carpentry, furniture manufacturers, and decoration. The production process finsa uses to manufacture these products is based on 2 fundamental pillars: the sustainability of the process and the maximization of the resources employed. In this respect, the recycling of waste allows for new products to be made and is used as an alternative and complementary energy source. The quality of new products, their adaptation to the market needs, and the efficiency of our production process are the fruits of a joint venture with ID&I, investigation, development, and innovation. Finsa dedicates a great amount of effort on investigation, development, and the continued training of its employees. This focus has allowed it, down the years, to offer innovative solutions, obtain competitive advantages, and consolidate its position in the market, thanks to the diversification of its product range. Finsa's diligence goes way beyond the products it offers. Finsa is an agile, active company, in touch with its surroundings and concerned with the development of the community to which it belongs. The arrival of finsa to a particular geographic area brings with it important economic factors, like the creation of jobs, both directly and indirectly, and the increased workload for parent and complementary industries. Its concern for the environment and sustainable development is an essential condition for finsa. Goals are set to meet the legal requirements and to review on a yearly basis the internal policies concerning sustainable management and care of the environment, obtaining certification from several prestigious bodies. Another major activity for finsa is its human capital. For that reason, the training of its employees has been, and continues to be, one of the fundamental investments for the company, both in the short and long term. The vast majority of finsa employees have developed their careers in the company, taking on greater responsibilities and knowledge to be able to act in the same way with respect to internal policies.